Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best catalytic converter cleaners that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the SEILETOO Catalytic Converter Cleaner. This product is designed to improve fuel efficiency and overall engine performance by targeting carbon buildup in catalytic converters, oxygen sensors, and injectors. One standout feature is its compatibility with both gasoline and diesel engines, making it a versatile option for a variety of vehicles, including hybrids. It's also formulated for high-mileage vehicles, with a focus on improving drivability issues like reduced power and rough idling. In terms of design and ease of use, the SEILETOO cleaner comes in a straightforward bottle that allows you to pour the additive directly into your fuel tank during refueling. It's convenient and doesn't require any special tools or mechanical expertise. However, at just 1 gram of product weight, the formulation might leave you wondering if it's concentrated enough for larger fuel tanks or severe carbon buildup. Performance-wise, SEILETOO delivers decent results for routine maintenance, especially for vehicles over 75,000 miles. It's effective at reducing harmful emissions and extending the life of catalytic converters. That said, it may not be the most powerful option for heavily clogged systems. Pros include its high-mileage focus, eco-friendly formula, and ease of use, while the cons are its smaller size and the limited feedback due to fewer customer reviews. This is a solid pick for those looking for a basic, no-fuss cleaner for regular maintenance. Next up at number 4, we have the generic 2PC Catalytic Converter Cleaner. This product is all about boosting engine efficiency and reducing harmful emissions. It stands out for its dual compatibility with both gasoline and diesel engines, making it a versatile choice for multi-vehicle households. The cleaner is designed for long-term maintenance, preventing carbon buildup and extending the lifespan of your catalytic converter and exhaust system components. The design is simple and user-friendly. Like the SEILETOO cleaner, it requires no special tools. Just pour it into your fuel tank at every fill-up. The bottle design is compact, making it easy to store and handle. However, the smaller 2.89-ounce weight might mean you'll need to use it more frequently for larger vehicles or more persistent carbon deposits. In terms of performance, this cleaner does a good job of restoring catalytic converter efficiency and improving fuel combustion. It's particularly effective for routine maintenance, but it might not deliver dramatic results for vehicles with severe buildup. Pros include its ease of use, compatibility with multiple engine types, and focus on long-term maintenance. On the downside, it has limited reviews and may not be the best choice for tackling heavy carbon deposits. Overall, it's a reliable option for keeping your system clean with regular use. Coming in at number 3 is the Liqui Moly Catalytic System Clean. This product is a solid mid-range option for those looking to maintain their catalytic converter while also cleaning the injection system and combustion chamber. One of its key selling points is its ability to improve fuel combustion, which leads to reduced fuel consumption and fewer CO2 emissions. It's compatible with all gasoline engines equipped with catalytic converters, making it a versatile addition to your maintenance routine. The compact design features a 300 ml bottle in a 2-pack, providing enough cleaner for multiple treatments. It's straightforward to use. Simply add it to your fuel tank, and it goes to work during regular operation. The build quality of the product is reliable, though the packaging may seem a bit basic compared to other premium options on this list. Performance-wise, this cleaner delivers noticeable improvements in engine smoothness and efficiency, especially when used regularly. It's particularly effective at preventing clogging and maintaining optimal combustion conditions. However, it's not as well suited for addressing severe carbon deposits in older or neglected vehicles. Pros include its eco-friendly formula, compatibility with a wide range of engines, and dual cleaning action for both the catalytic system and combustion chamber. The cons are its relatively limited availability and smaller audience base, as evidenced by fewer customer reviews. If you're looking for a greener option with solid performance, Liqui Moly is worth considering. In the runner-up spot at number 2, we have the Dura Lube Severe Catalytic and Exhaust Treatment. This product is designed to protect your catalytic system from harmful oil and maintain its efficiency over time. Not only does it reduce phosphorus and zinc retention levels at the catalyst inlet, but it also improves fuel economy, making it a great choice for budget-conscious drivers. The design is practical and straightforward, with a 16-ounce bottle that's easy to handle and apply. Its universal fit ensures compatibility with all engine types, whether gasoline or diesel. The product is also recommended for use before replacing a catalytic converter, potentially saving you a significant amount of money on repairs. When it comes to performance, Dura Lube delivers excellent results for routine maintenance and mild issues. It's particularly effective at improving fuel system efficiency and ensuring smoother engine operation. However, it may not be the best option for tackling severe carbon buildup. Pros include its cost-effectiveness, ease of use, and long-term protective benefits. The cons are its slightly lower potency for heavy-duty cleaning needs and limited availability in some regions. Overall, Dura Lube is a dependable choice for maintaining your catalytic system without breaking the bank. Finally, at number 1, we have the Cataclean Fuel and Exhaust System Cleaner. This product stands out as the most comprehensive and effective solution on the market. It's specifically formulated to reduce carbon buildup in catalytic converters, DPF filters, and oxygen sensors, helping your vehicle meet stringent emission standards. In fact, it claims to reduce hydrocarbon emissions by up to 50%. Additionally, it's known for clearing common check engine light codes, potentially saving you thousands on repairs. The design is user-friendly, featuring a 16-ounce bottle in a convenient 2-pack. Cataclean is compatible with gasoline, diesel, and hybrid engines, and it's 50-state legal, ensuring it can be used anywhere in the U.S. The packaging is sturdy, and the application process is as simple as pouring it into your fuel tank, no tools or professional help required. In terms of performance, Cataclean delivers exceptional results. It not only restores catalytic converter efficiency, but also improves fuel economy and engine power. Users have reported noticeable improvements in vehicle smoothness and responsiveness after just one use. While it's on the pricier side, its unparalleled effectiveness and versatility make it worth the investment. Pros include its ability to clear check engine lights, pass emissions tests, and enhance overall vehicle performance. The only real con is its higher price tag, but for the value it provides, Cataclean is hands down the best choice for catalytic converter cleaning. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.